Now I am going to show you how to do a C program by using the VirtualBox and Ubantu. The first step is that you should locate the Oracle VirtualBox icon in the desktop. So this is the icon which you have to find. Once you find it, you just double click that. You will see this screen, and here you will have to just press the start button. This will take some time. Now the Ubuntu OS is getting loaded in the system. Now you will reach this screen. You just click it. You don't need to type anything. You just click on the login word. It will take you inside. See, whatever message that is popping up, you just close everything. Like you don't need to accept or do anything. You just ignore them. Okay. So once you have reached this screen, now you need to go open the terminal. For that, you just press this button, which is for searching. So just press the search button, and here you just enter terminal, TERMINAL. You can see the icon of the terminal displayed below. You just click it. Now this is the command prompt where you will type your commands, like the command for creating a new file, the command for compiling your file, that is a program that is already typed, and for executing your command, for giving input, for seeing output. So all the interaction will be happening in this particular screen. This is called the command prompt of Ubuntu. Okay, let us start the first step. Now I want to type a new program. For that, the command is gedit space followed by whatever the name that I want to give to my program. Let us say I want to give the name as program1.c. Remember that you can choose any name as your program name, but that has to end with the .c. So that .c is an extension of your C program, and it is mandatory. Otherwise you can't compile the program. So make sure that you type the program name followed by .c. After completing it, just press enter key. Now it opens this a notepad kind of screen. This is the place where you need to type your program. I'm going to type a small program, #include stdio.c.h. See, if you have properly given the file extension as .c, you will see the colors getting changed. If you have not given .c, then everything will be black only. So that is an indication whether you are following it correctly or not. So now that I can see the #include stdio has been shown in two different colors, which means it is treated as a C program. Next line, I need to add a main function. So void main opening brace. And after opening brace, I can type the actual program, whatever the logic. Let us say I want to write a program to add two numbers and display the result of the addition to the user. So I am declaring two variables, int a, b, and after that I am going to take input for the numbers from the user. So scanf opening bracket double quotation %d. See, each %d represents each of these two variables. Again you have to close the double quotation and comma, and now you need to mention the name of the two variables by attaching them with the ampersand symbol or and symbol. So and a comma and b and closing bracket semicolon. So this is the perfect syntax required for this particular statement. So scan of opening bracket double quotation 1% d for a, another percentage d for b, and then ampersand a ampersand b. Okay, this statement will take the input of a and b from the user. Now I am supposed to add the numbers. For addition, let us add another variable. We can add the number of variables by declaring one more variable. So now c equal to a plus b, again semicolon. Every line ends with the semicolon. Now I have the result. I have the result in C, and I need to display the value of C to the user. For that, we can use a printf. Once again, I need to use a percentage d, because I want to retrieve the value of C and display it at this point of line. So I need to use a percentage d followed by C. Note carefully that I used ampersand only for the scanf but not for the printf. So in printf you should not use ampersand, it will be wrong. You just have to type the variable name alone. Since the program is completed, I am going to just close it using a closing brace. This is the complete C program. Starts with the hash include statement, then there is a main function. Within the main function, I have typed my program. Now in order to compile and execute the program, you have to save it. So there is a save button available. If you press it, it will be saved. I am just going to add a mistake intentionally, just to show you what happens when there is a mistake in your program. So I am removing the semicolon, and now I am saving it. Once you close it, you will return back to the command prompt. As I told you, it is at the command prompt you are going to execute all your commands. After executing the gedit command and created a new program, you are now supposed to compile the program. So for that, gcc is the name of the command. Again a space is needed. You should not type it continuously. A space and then name of the program. Here also you need to type the .c extension without fail. Now the program compiles, and as expected, it is saying that semicolon is expected before printf. So now you need to correct it. To correct it also, you have to go back to the same program by using the same command. To type the, instead of typing the commands again and again, you can use the arrow keys. If you use the up arrow key of the keyboard, you will see all the previous commands. Okay, this is the command. Just press enter. It opens the program again. Now you have to type the semicolon, save it, close it, and recompile again. And this time it didn't show any error message, which means that the program has been compiled successfully and it is ready for execution. And finally, we are now going to run the program. /a.out is the name of the command to be typed for executing a program that was compiled successfully. It's now expecting the numbers to be added. So I need to enter first number as 3, second as 4, and it is showing the result as 7. So this was a simple program which we completed. In this way you will have to practice all the programs. Let us say I want to do one more program. You just have to follow the same procedure. Gedit, name of the new program, go to that window, type your program, save it, come back to the command prompt, gcc, name of that program, and make sure that you have corrected all the errors. And finally, if you press the ./a.out, you will see the output of the program. So this is the process of how to do programs using Ubuntu. And at the end of the lab, before you are leaving, you have to properly close this window. Simply pressing this is not correct. It will corrupt the file. So you will have to locate this particular button. Here you will see shutdown icon. Now you can simply close it. You have returned back to the Windows.